Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. Today we're going to be kind of unstuffing all the money so we can get ready for March money to go in the bank and allocate all that stuff out. So I'm going to take anything that's left in my online variables as well as my cash wallet, get it ready to go to the bank for deposit, and as well put anything else that is in there into the saving challenges so that we can come back and stuff the envelopes, save challenges, and do all the jazz, okay? So it's literally one day before the end of the month. At least for me, today is the 27th. February is pretty much over. It ran out of here, okay? If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. The what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. Y'all know that I like to know what y'all are doing while y'all watching the video. Are you being productive? Are you working on your budget? What's up? Y'all ready for March? All right, let's get into today's video. Let's start with the digital portion. So you'll see that there's $17.03 here, but I think whatever it is we have covered in like a sinking fund, this $41.56 is exactly the amount for a wig. It's coming out of beauty, so we're not going to worry too much about that. So they're really call them zero, okay? So what do we have left? In grocery of $7.42 left in groceries, which is insane that there's anything left in groceries, but there's only money left in groceries because I had to move money over from eating out to help me with groceries. So I ate out less, but bought more groceries to transfer from groceries over to my monthly saving challenges. But I actually want to see how much we saved in just the thinking in this kind of money right here. So, and sorry guys, it's getting dark. It was a beautiful day today, but it's getting dark and I want to, it has $7.42. I'm trying to do too much. Stop, girl. Slow down. Grab the ball, okay? So, monthly saving challenges one time, and we're moving all of it, which is $7 and I ain't gonna bother with that small thing. $7.42. Okay, we're moving $7.42 from groceries over to monthly savings challenges. And we're gonna transfer. And that is success. $7.42 has been moved. So now groceries is at 0, which is where we want it to, so that come March, we can fill it back up with March's money. Then we have our cheerful giver. We only have $1.40 left in there, so let's add $1.40 to that. Every little bit counts, you guys. So we're going to transfer over $1.40 into our monthly savings challenges. Okay, so we're going from cheerful giver to monthly savings challenge, and that is going to be successful. Go over this a little bit, it's a little too bright. Success, there we go. Now we have our cheerful giver back down to $0, so we can reset for March. And let's go to foodie finds. Don't have no money, so like I said, the money that was in foodie finds, I moved to groceries to cover all the groceries. Go outside does have some money though. We got $25.50. Go outside is basically my fun category. So we're gonna go ahead and transfer from go outside into the monthly saving challenge. We're gonna transfer over $25.50. I'm gonna make sure I add my $25.50. $25.50.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That ain't right. I did something wrong. That's wrong. $25.50 plus, I don't remember now, but we're gonna go back and figure it out. Transfer success. Boom, we're down to 0. So I'm gonna go quickly over to our monthly saving challenges and see how much we actually saved from the digital. I am a hybrid, so I have some digital and I have some in cash. Add $25.50 plus $1.40 plus $7.42. $34.32. I'm like, I ain't right. So we saved $34.32 digitally, which is good. I always like to see some savings digitally because I get concerned that, oh girl, you're digital, so you're gonna overspend. But I prove to myself every month, not every month, a lot of months, that I can manage my credit card. It's not for everybody, let's be very clear. But so far, so good. And I'm always down to try different things, which may be something I'm going to try differently in March. Yeah. So here are the cash envelopes that I have. This first envelope has gas money in it, and I just filled up yesterday, so we're totally good. It's a full tank. And throughout the month, I had $100 deposited, and then I had already spent $20 on a card. And then $15 on the 10th, $15 on the 18th, $20 on the 22nd, and then yesterday on the 26th, $18. So usually if I keep my car at half a tank, I'm good around $15 or $20 to fill it up. Thank you, Lord. So with all that being said, I'm supposed to have $32 left in the account, in the cash. So we have 20, 30, 1, and 2. Okay, so we have $32 left in cash. And we'll get cash for next time. And then we have our, what is this? This is giving. So I did a lot of giving, you guys. I actually did not explain that to you. I said $20 in gas. We would have had more left. So here, if you look on the 22nd, this $20, as you can see, is 1 week here. The 22nd was actually giving. I ended up giving $20 out of gas to someone that I thought needed it. And so I ended up giving more and giving this month. But I had extra money in gas. So I was like, well, I'm going to give it because I want to. And as far as giving goes, I gave $10, and then of course I gave online as well, but I had $5 for giving, and then I did an extra $1 tip, and that should leave me with $4. $1, 2, 3, $4. And so we love that for me. And then we have self-care, which I did go get a pedicure and my eyebrows, and I pressed on these nails. And we have deposited $80, $68 for a pedicure. I'm sorry, $58 for the pedicure, $10 for the tip, and that was a total of $68. Left us with $12. And then I bought snacks out of this money and $5, and then left me with $7. So $5, $6, $7 left in self-care. And then the last envelope really is just put the money back to the bank, which is what we're really about to do right now. This is our back to the bank money. So let's count and see how much we saved in cash. $20, $30, $35, $36, $37, $38, $39, $40, $41, $42, $43. I'm grateful. So let's add 43 plus 43. So in total, we are going to save $77.32 out of our variable money that we get for the month. I'm happy with that. Like, anything is good because the variable money is for gas, groceries, self-care, fun, things like that. They're supposed to be used. They're supposed to be getting used. So if they don't get used, then that's amazing. But let me count exactly how much this is again so I can write it down. 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. All right. So let me add $43 to my sheet. Today on 2/27, we're adding to bring back to the bank, BTB, $43 variable. Okay. leftover variable money. So hopefully tomorrow I'll stop by the bank and I will go ahead and deposit this so that it will be in the bank so we can play games or we can do savings challenges and play games with our money and put our money away into categories that we want to use them. We already have like $100 and something in the bank. So really we have $43 in cash, and then we have in our monthly savings challenge account, we have $167.36. So we'll be using $210.36 sometime this weekend to stuff some challenges, to finish up our February saving challenges, and I already put some money away into the emergency fund. That is it for unstuffing and getting myself together to end out our variables for February and get ourselves ready for March. Are you guys ready? Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear. And remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super, super grateful for you. I love you. Mean it. Bye.